You should stay off the roads and you should stay in the sled. So here you go, Brennan. Here's yours. You get the little one. Green for good days. So although we are seeing rain and some possible thunderstorms, not anticipating those to become severe at any time. And I'm in Augusta County standing on top of a huge snowbank. You can see I'm almost 3 feet off the ground. All this is cleared from this part. Well, all of us in the valley, no matter where you live, are looking at gorgeous weather right now. Nothing showing up on the radar, so plenty of sunshine for your Sunday. Hope lots of you got out there to cut the grass today, and if not, don't worry, tomorrow is looking good as well. We're going to focus and see how deep the snow is in Harrisonburg. We're going to start to see a little bit of light snow. That's going to change over to freezing rain overnight Monday into Tuesday. Not looking at a lot of accumulation on Tuesday at all. And then as we head into the afternoon on Tuesday, we're going to see all that clear out to nice, beautiful sunshine for your Tuesday. So there is good news ahead. Now, you can still see a little bit of fire behind me, and it's hard to see the smoke. Channing. Yes, gloves, mittens, scarves, everything. Finally, we will be looking at a little consistency. We've seen a roller coaster of temperatures the past couple weeks. I know everybody wants a white Christmas, but we're going to have a sunny Christmas and maybe a flurry on Christmas Eve. A happy medium. Road conditions are still on the good side, but standing outside conditions, not so much. You'll see most of those thunderstorms are staying well to our south. Temperatures in the low to mid 40s, so it looks like we're finally slowly making our way out of winter.
One can only hope.
And we're still looking at more wintry weather in March. Was this morning's snow it? I'll have that answer for you coming up.
First Alert Storm Team.
Well, lots of cloud cover today, and some of us even seeing some flurries. I know that's probably not something a lot of you want to continue to see, so we're not. We're going to turn those flurries off for the rest of this evening. You can see starting to clear to the east. That's going to push into the valley, but without the cloud cover, we're going to see a lot of that daytime heating escape, and we're going to get very, very cold out there. Now, compared to yesterday, which was a beautiful sunny day, you can see our temperatures are much colder, about 15 degrees colder in Stanton, 13 in Luray. Now tonight, we are looking at temperatures in those upper 20s, right around 30 degrees for most of us, 31 in Stanton and Timberville, 27 in Fishersville, 29 degrees here in Harrisonburg. But we are seeing some winds, and those winds are coming out of the northwest, so pulling some very cold and dry air into the area. These are sustained winds, anywhere from 11 to 13 miles an hour, and that makes it feel even colder. So we are 31 degrees in Stanton, but we feel like 24, so you can see that wind chill already taking an effect as we head into this evening. Now, as we head through the next couple days on our First Alert hour-by-hour forecast, again, looking at nice clear skies as we head into the evening, so that's going to quickly cool our temperatures. They're going to stay clear as we head into the 11 p.m. hour, and then we're going to start to see that cloud cover build into the area, so waking up to mostly cloudy skies for your Sunday. As we head into the afternoon, we're going to start to see some flurries make their way into the area. Now, this is very light snow, not looking at a lot of accumulation, probably less than half an inch for most of us. That's going to quickly move through the valley. Again, white, very, very light snow through the afternoon, in and out as we head into the evening. So not looking at a big snow event whatsoever for your Sunday, and that is good news for a lot of you. But for tonight, in the upper teens, partly cloudy skies, that cold breeze going to hold on, and especially to the west, so going to feel very, very chilly as we are only in the mid-teens. So going to be a very chilly night tonight, but tomorrow we will stay mostly cloudy, but our temperatures will be okay on the comfortable side in the mid and upper 30s. But again, a little bit of a breeze is going to make us feel just a little bit cooler, but not going to see those gusts like we did see today. And we do have some good news on the way. Our temperatures are finally going to warm, so take a look at this. In the 30s, just 2 more days, warming all the way up into the low 50s, mid 50s, and even upper 50s, close to 60 degrees as we head into Friday. So that is some great news, well above average and well deserved from these past couple of days. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next 3 days. We could again see those flurries as we head into the afternoon on Sunday. Mostly cloudy skies, a little bit of activity overnight into your President's Day. Our last day in the 30s, upper 30s, and Tuesday. Plenty of sunshine in store, and take a look at these low temperatures. We're going to start to see low temperatures that were warmer than what we have been seeing the past couple days. So temperatures on the rise again in the mid and even upper 50s. Our low 43 degrees for Thursday night. So that low warmer than our high today. And then 60 on Friday. Look at that, Channing.
Yes.
So really exciting news. Lots of good stuff today.
That wasn't a typo?
I promise that's for real. Yes, we earned it.
That sounds good to me.
Yes.
Keep the rain showers out of here. Maybe we can change that a little bit.
The first alert storm team.
We're seeing some light snow in the northern valley. That's going to continue through the rest of this evening. The only places expecting any accumulation will be those above 2,000 feet. And as we head down closer to the surface, we can see what's actually hitting the ground, and that is very little. So some of us just seeing some floating flurries throughout this evening. That's going to continue to just be decoration as we head through the overnight hours. Weather watchers calling in temperatures in the low to mid, even upper 30s. 34 in Stanley, 37 in Petersburg, 36 in Stanton out there right now. But we are still dealing with a breeze that's coming out of the west and northwest, anywhere from 8 to 10 miles an hour. So feeling that chilly breeze making its way into the area, that gives us those wind chills. So 35 degrees in Stanton, feeling like 29. So a little bit chillier out there tonight. We're going to continue to see those temperatures drop as we head through the overnight hours with our clear skies. So you can see on our first alert hour by hour forecast beginning to clear out this evening. Any of the snow activity staying to the west as well as to the north. So that's going to allow all this daytime heating to escape, going to get down into the teens. Again, waking up to some chillier temperatures, but more clear skies, so a little bit of sunshine to start your day. But through the afternoon, we're going to start to see that cloud cover increase. So going to be mostly cloudy throughout much of the day. Then into the evening, going to start to see a little bit more of that wintry weather start to make its way in from the west. So could see some light snow showers as well as a little bit of mix overnight Monday into Tuesday. So not quite done with that winter weather yet. Now, temperatures in the mid and upper teens, mostly clear skies, a few early flurries tonight, but that's going to make its way out of the area again, starting out with some sunshine for your Monday morning. Temperatures in the low 20s, feeling like those low 20s though, so that is a nice change. The afternoon will be mostly cloudy, temperatures in the mid and upper 30s, and then back down into the 20s as we head into the night with a slight chance for a flurry or two. So this is what we can expect as we head Monday night into Tuesday. We're going to start to see a little bit of light snow. That's going to change over to freezing rain overnight Monday into Tuesday. Not looking at a lot of accumulation on Tuesday at all. And then as we head into the afternoon on Tuesday, we're going to see all that clear out to nice, beautiful sunshine for your Tuesday. So there is good news ahead. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next 3 days. We're going to go ahead and see our temperatures on the increase. That's more good news. Making our way into the 50s by Tuesday again, with plenty of sunshine. Wednesday going to stay sunny, temperatures in the mid 50s. We're going to continue on that increase. Temperatures in the upper 50s, close to 60 degrees by Friday. We do see our rain chances increase Friday and Saturday. Hopefully that making its way out of the area, leaving us with just clouds to end the weekend and temperatures right around 50.
Sounds good to me. I like those 50s. Thank you,
I agree.
Amelia. All right.
Alan Martin lives in Harrisonburg and clears the sidewalks for his neighbors.
Right after it snows, I generally just push it off, and then I apply the salt to the sidewalks, keep it from becoming slippery.
Martin is careful what he uses. He says this salt is the safest.
The wrong kinds of salt would, destroy the grass right around the sidewalks.
Dr. Scott Lewis is a chemistry professor at JMU. He says the word brine is a general term for salt dissolved in water. That is what is most commonly used on the roads.
They make a brine solution essentially on the surface of the road and don't allow any more snow or ice to now accumulate on the roads.
Dr. Lewis says anything that dissolves in water, like sugar that you could have around the house, that'll change the chemical composition of water, and that changes the temperature that it freezes. But some combinations are better than others. This snow melted in minutes.
The most effective is calcium chloride. It actually works down to about minus 20 degrees, but it's a whole lot more expensive. So most people, when they go to the store, don't want to buy it. They'll buy the regular table salt, rock salt.
So we decided to try some other ways that you can melt ice. Now, one of them might be something you haven't thought of. This is beet juice. One problem, though, you take a step in this and you go inside, it's really going to stain your
First Alert Storm Team.
Well, starting out with very cold temperatures again, unfortunately. You guys know the deal. About 7 degrees in Luray, 2 in Stanton, 1 in Winchester, dealing with some very cold temperatures, especially along those ridge lines in Highland and Pendleton County. Still feeling that breeze picking up, so very cold start today. You thought yesterday was cold, today even colder. 2 degrees colder in Stanton, 4 degrees colder in Luray as well as Winchester as we head to the west in Grant and Hardy counties. 11 degrees colder up there this morning, so lots of us dealing with those very chilly temperatures, but there is some good news. Temperatures today again starting out in those single digits, wind chills anywhere from -5 to -10. This afternoon, we're going to make it above freezing with beautiful sunshine out there. Winds coming out of the south continuing to pull that warm air into the area, so going to stay in those upper teens tonight. Certainly not as cold, and we're going to warm even more as we head into the end of the week. Temperatures close to 50 for Friday, lower 50s for both Saturday and Sunday. That groundhog hopefully ending our winter. Let's get to